In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change colors in Napkin AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to log in, open the right project, select the element you want, and use the paint palette to pick a new color with confidence. I'll also share a few practical tips so your changes look intentional and consistent. First, log in to Napkin AI. Open your preferred browser or the app and sign in with your usual credentials. Make sure your internet connection is stable so your project loads smoothly and your changes sync reliably as you work. Once you're in, you'll land on the main workspace or dashboard. Next, open your project. From the dashboard, choose the project you want to edit. If you have several, pick it from your recent projects or search by name. Give the project a moment to load fully so all elements and layers are available. This helps avoid small hiccups, like clicking on the wrong item because the canvas hasn't finished rendering. Now select the element you want to change. Click directly on the object. This might be text, a shape, an icon, or a background block. You should see it highlight or show selection handles, confirming it's active. If items are grouped or layered, click carefully until the exact part you need is selected. For text, remember you're adjusting the text color. For shapes, you're adjusting the fill or stroke, depending on what you intend to change. With the element selected, click on the Paint Palette button. This icon typically appears in the toolbar or the right side panel and opens the color controls for the selected element. Once the color panel is visible, you'll see options to choose from preset swatches or define a custom color. Finally, select the color you want. You can click a preset swatch for a quick change or fine-tune using the color picker. If you know your brand's hex code or specific RGB values, enter them here for a perfect match. Watch the canvas as you choose. The preview updates live, so you can check how the new color looks against your background and nearby elements. If you see an opacity slider or similar control, adjust it to get exactly the depth or softness you need. Aim for good contrast to keep text readable and icons clear, especially on smaller screens. That's it. Log in, open your project, select the element, click the paint palette, and choose your color. Take a moment to compare your new choice with the rest of your design for consistency, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching and enjoy refining your colors in Napkin AI.